guys, welcome back to the channel Gunmetal Joe, and today I will be doing a review, but since this is a commission build, I will be painting this model kit. I will show you how I did it. Some of the process will be shown on the video. First things first, this will be a semi-weathered finish, and this will be done first with a gray color. And after that, we will highlight the actual shading by putting white as the final coat. And with the blue colors, I will be shading it with a black. Same goes with the red parts as well. For the red, I'll be using the Nico 114 red. And please notice that I will be using an airbrush to paint this kit, but the paint will be coming from spray cans. And this is what it looks like after painting the part with the red color. Now the stand doesn't need an actual battery because you could see that we could use a USB cable to power up the model kit for its lighting gimmicks. For the Daban model, we also get these extra weapons for the Avalanche, which is the giant sword, which is an exclusive for the Daban model. The GN sword and dagger could be inserted here to complete the set. This weapon has a bit of articulation to it. The GN sword and dagger has a sliding gimmick, and they have attachment points that could be hidden. The GN shield has a sliding movement gimmick as well. And let's talk about my favorite weapon in the Gundam universe. This is the GN sword for the EXIA. This one has a lot of moving and sliding gimmicks, and this one is also painted as you could see on the actual clip. I have built first the inner frame to test the lighting gimmicks on this perfect grade. We will test using an extra GN drive from another model kit. The light on the other side is a bit off due to a faulty and loose wiring. Let's do some further LED testing. The first press lights up the head and the chest. The second press lights up the entire body. And here it is, the standard EXIA perfect grade build. It is quite unfortunate that the manual doesn't show us how to build the standard EXIA. I will add the actual link on how to build the standard EXIA below. Let's check the articulation, limited head movement due to the wires, same with the waist, a bit of articulation in the chest part, opening hatch with a pilot cockpit which is painted inside, and limited arm rotation due to the wires. We have a decent elbow bend here. Waist armor movement. Really good knee bend here. And I wasn't able to show you the feet articulation, but the feet articulation are really good. Not bad for a bootleg for a perfect grade. And unlike the Bandai version, this comes with a repair build version. Just need to remove some of the parts and replace it with the parts provided for the repair version. And again, it was not included on the manual on how to build the repair version. I will try to post that link below so that anyone interested will be able to build their own version. I did add some silver on the actual parts to make it look damaged and scratched, and they also gave us this broken GN sword blade. This comes with a separate LED specific for the actual head. This part of the arm is a lot of work since I have to rebuild it, which includes the LEDs. I wish the band would release just a standard EXIA with the repair on it so that I could build my own version. Now let's test the LED. Same with the first press. It lights up the heads and the chest. And then the second press will actually light up the body. The third press will turn the chest and the eyes in a blinking mode. And the fourth press will be the Trans Am mode version. The fifth press will cycle the light from 1 to 4. Now this kit is far from perfect. As you could see on the bootleg, some fitting issues here and there, but all of them are manageable. A bit of loose wires on the right side of the arm, and it's just too bad that we don't get the manual for the other versions of this build, but you could look it up online. This is not cheap, but compared to the original, this one is a must buy because it adds the extra parts and the build for the actual Avalanche EXIA. Now, if you have some questions, feel free to comment below. Again, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.